Let's get it. What's up? Hey, hold on. So somebody said the timing was off on the focus. I mean, it might be. I don't know for sure. But we about to go home and fire it up, let it warm up. I have a Cobb tuner. I'm gonna go through the settings and see if we can just find anything that might be off. I don't know what to look for, but I'm gonna post all the settings up. That way, if you see this video, hopefully you can tell me if you notice something that might be off. Because somebody said my timing was off. That's the reason why I was having a hard time starting my car in the cold. I thought it was just because it was cold. It does make some funny pops while it's sitting there. So maybe it's off. I don't know for sure. But yeah, I'm about to park old Big Red right here. And we're going to jump start the Focus because I'm sure the battery is dead. And yeah. The keys were definitely lost. But we found it. We're gonna use this thing. It's my Cobb tuner. We're gonna plug it in, let it run, and see if it's popping up a misfire or something. I don't know how else can you tell if the timing is off. I guess the timing wouldn't pop up a misfire, would it? I guess it would just run a regular. Here we go. She's getting filthy out here. I'm shameful. Shameful, but it is what it is. This is where she lives. I just popped the trunk, so the battery isn't completely dead, so we could try to start it, but I'm sure it won't. And again, if you're new to the channel, my name is Quaylo Watson, and I want to turn this Ford Focus ST, it's 2013, into a drag car this year. I stripped it out, probably for no reason, but I did strip it out. I do have hookups for a nitrous bottle. I took it out for right now. She's a stock turbo car. She has a lot of different bolt-ons on it, but as of right now, she's still a stock turbo car. And yeah, I want to go drag racing. So you guys are here to see what I do every day. For right now, I've just been starting her up, making sure she at least fire up and stay running. And eventually hopefully I find a race soon, and maybe we get down to it. The click, 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 I'm sure the battery is dead. I'm gonna go pull up the BMW, get it jumped off. Give me 1 sec. We still slipping on ice. And I left the BMW keys down. We must plug in our Cobb tuner. So it plugs in to here. This fancy cable. And then the bottom plugs into the Cobb tuner itself. All right, we're in the whip finally. So like I said, we're gonna hook up this Cobb tuner. I don't know what the monitor on here exactly for the timing. Someone said the timing might be off. So maybe if it's something on here that you can tell me I should monitor, I'll monitor it. And we can see if the timing is off for real. Let's fire this thing up. Something is not right. Let's see. Injection mode 3. I don't. See, I really wouldn't know what to look for. Misfire count 6. So is she misfiring really? Misfire Detected cylinder 3. We did recently change spark plugs and fuel injectors, so maybe we have something not correct. Maybe I did something wrong. I have no idea. I did recently take off my intake manifold. Also changed out all 4 fuel injectors with the spark plugs. Like I say, honestly, I don't know what to monitor. I mean, it is saying I have a Misfire Detected cylinder 3, so I guess I would start there. I need help. You a 4-cylinder guy, you a Ford Focus guy, you any performance type of guy, and you see this video, you let me know what you think. There is something slightly off. Could it be the tune? I doubt it. I have a great tuner, but it could be something I physically did to the car. I'm having trouble with my Cobb tuner. It seems like the cable isn't tight enough for some reason. That might have fixed it. But yeah, all right. So misfire count now, yeah. So we're definitely misfiring. We're at over 100 and something, yeah. So we're misfiring like a motherfucker somewhere. What would you check? That's my question. What would you check to see where the problem is? Do I need to check the spark plugs again? Because like I said, I just put a brand new set of 4 spark plugs in. Or do I need to check my fuel injectors? I put 4 brand new fuel injectors in here, 1700 cc's. Maybe I went wrong somewhere. She's definitely not happy. Let's cut her off. Let's cut her off. Thank you for watching, and like I say, if you can give me any tips, anything you know, any knowledge you know that might help me fix this situation, let me know. Thank you.